I'm going to demonstrate how you can create a loft in Onshape. To create a loft, you're going to need 2 profile sketches. To begin with, I'll start the first sketch on the front plane. For the first sketch, I'm going to use an ellipse, and I'll have the center of the ellipse located on the origin. I'll now add dimensions to the ellipse. And once the ellipse has been drawn, click the tick. Now rotating the view back to the corner view there, you can see that first sketch is complete. To do the second sketch, I'll need to create a new plane, and you can do that here. This is the plane tool. It requires you to select an entity to offset from. In this case, I'll offset from the front plane. And I'm going to change that offset to 50 millimeters. Once that's done, click the tick. And now we have a 4th plane, which we can draw our second profile sketch on. I'll do that now using the sketch tool and select plane 1. For this, I'm going to use a rectangle, but I'll use a center point rectangle. And once again, I'm going to reference the origin as the center of that rectangle. And again, drawing the shape roughly to size, and then correcting the size using the dimension tool. Click the tick to complete. Going back to the corner view, have our 2 sketches. All that's left to do now is to use the Loft tool here. Select those 2 profiles and click the tick. Now looking from the other view, you can see that Loft has been created between those 2 profile sketches.